Everyone need to update your phone number in your Canada Revenue Agency accounts in this year. Whether it's for multi-factor authentication or contact info, I'll show you how to do it online or by phone, keeping your taxes and benefits on track. So let us begin. So log into your CRA My Account at canada.ca using your CRA user ID or sign-in partner. Go to Profile, Contact Information and click Edit to add or change your phone number, including the MFA passcodes. Save the charges and you're set according to canada.ca. If you can't log in because your old number is tied to MFA, you'll need to call the CRA. More on that in a bit. Have your SIN ready as well. If you can't access your account due to an outdated phone number, call the CRA's Individual Tax Inquiries line, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. ET. Provide your social insurance number, full name, address, and birth date to verify your identity. An agent will update your phone number after verification, usually in just one call. So that's pretty much how it's done, guys. Stay safe and proactive. Never share MFA passcodes with anyone. Questions, share below, like and subscribe and ring the bell for more tax tips. See you next time.